All right, and probably live, man. It's the first time that I'm trying to stream on YouTube, so I usually do my stream on Twitch. So give me just a couple seconds to check if everything is all right. Let's see. I think everything should be okay. Okay, so I'm gonna close this. All right, and I think we are good. What's up, guys? French Monkey here, and welcome to one of the first stream on YouTube. So I've been streaming for the past week or so on Twitch, you know, doing some design practice, and I've done a couple of designs here, you know, just trying to get back at designing stuff. So let me open a couple of things here just to showcase some of the design that I've made for the past couple of days. I'm gonna open this as well. Let me check first the channel just to make sure. Lives, okay, yeah, it's live. All right, so we have this. So, you know, I started streaming a couple of weeks ago just to try and get back just in Fusion 360. And yeah, so these are some of the designs that I've made, and you know, every day I try to work on small forms, shapes. In this case, for this model, I worked on these kind of how do you call these? These, man, I forgot the name. These things, right? These support things. So yeah, and this led to kind of this model. So this doesn't really look like anything, you know. The point of practicing is it's still not trying to make sense of my designs, but just trying to figure out, you know, new ways of actually it's to figure out the right steps in order to create these things without, you know, making a lot of mistakes. And I've been making a lot of mistakes. First of all, because, you know, designing while streaming is not always easy, and usually, you know, I take more time on my own to just look at things and just, you know, trying to think about what I want to create. And I do have a lot of designs, you know, over the years. I've designed a lot of things, mostly for my everyday projects. So, you know, some of these designs are from 2016, 2017, but yeah, this looks pretty nice. So I'm gonna close this one. This was another day where I wanted to create kind of the hard drive slot. This was actually the first couple of days that I started streaming, because before that I hadn't touched Fusion 360 for a couple of months. So you know, it was fun to just get back at it. Next, I did this with the same logic, hard drive, how you call that, dock. So I tried to think about some of the dimensions of this, fan behind, power supply here on the bottom. It's not right, but you know, at least yeah, it looks cool. And yeah, I did this a couple of days ago just to try and, you know, work on my detailing, because Usually I really try to detail my stuff as fast as possible, and in most of the time it's just not worth it, you know. So I need to really restrain myself to first of all block out the shape, trying to do all the steps that need to be done, and then apply the proper, you know, chamfer, bevels and stuff like that. So yeah, so these are just random items that I just wanted to design, and I think that today I will go back doing this. So yeah, I wanted to showcase some of the works that I've been doing, but maybe not for today at least. So yeah, I have some reference image that I've been gathering, just some random screenshots that I found online from Fusion 360 actually, because you know, that's the most helpful things to have to see how things are actually created. You can pretty much understand what's happening here, and you know, it's kind of hard to redo them exactly because you don't have the right proportions, you don't have the dimensions, but you know, you get the idea. So today I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to start with you know, just random assets. So let's start doing that. Of course, you are free to let me know how the stream is, if everyone is okay, and yeah, let's get into it. Of course, I think I have down in the description, so let me check just for. So yeah, down in the description you will find my Twitch link, Instagram, Patreon, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me. Okay, all right. So let's start with a new project. Create new. Yes. And I'm gonna delete this, and just in case I'm gonna go offline, because you know, Fusion likes to save at random intervals, and it takes a lot of internet things. So change to direct modeling, because yeah, I never go back in my designs. You know, there's just no such thing as going back in time. That's actually what they are calling this feature, going back in time. But anyway, so let me drink. Ooh. Okay. So let's see if I totally forgot to download new references, but it's fine. It's fine. Man, I love these kind of parts that are all added. I used to work with axes and slow animation in Fusion, but it's been so many years that I haven't done that. Oh, what we have here, some things. This is nice. This is really nice design, you know, but I'm not gonna go too deep into these types of things. First of all, these takes a lot of hours, you know, many hours. Of course, probably not, because everything is duplicated. And actually, I've created a lot of these beams, so I think we could start with a beam and just implement some branching, you know, things here and there. That's gonna be fine. Yes. All right, so let's start with the beam. So you don't really see how the beam is, but I know the design. I've done this many times. So I have my 10 by 10 centimeter. It's a little bit bigger than usual, but you know, it's okay, it's fine. And let's start designing some stuff. So probably. So now I'm creating a profile, and it's gonna be this. Yeah, I need to do this on all sides. needs to go here, not there. Okay. I need to concentrate now. Let's put this here. So we have this and this. Yeah. This is the easy step. Wait. No. Okay. Give me a second. I need to close this. Yeah, it's been a while, man. I've been trying the last couple of days to just get back at it, but it's not always easy. You know, these things of these designs in general just takes so much time. So yeah, I messed up. Man, I messed up. So you will see a lot of restarting and deleting stuff. So I don't understand why it's so difficult. Shouldn't be. So I'm trying. You know what? Let's do one side. So I know I will keep this and I will keep this. And now I need to. I'm probably gonna be from here to. Yes. Okay. Okay, let's delete this and what I want. Don't want this. Don't want this. Let me close this as well. Okay, that's a little bit better. So I am in the top view. Okay, we'll have to rotate this, but yeah, it's fine. So let's go to my bodies and let's pattern this by 4. Okay, let's connect everything. Again, you know, that's not the right way to do this, but you know, it is what it is. I will chamfer this because chamfer because I do need some space here. I'm probably gonna go like that, and you know what? I'm gonna chamfer everything because although yeah, I'm just gonna chamfer. Because if I start filleting things from now, I'm gonna have a lot of issues with the fusion slowing down. So you know. Yeah, that's fine. Let's do the same thing here, but I need more chamfer. So I'm gonna do this. Chamfer, and maybe I'm gonna go 1.5. So it's not pretty yet. So let's rotate this. I need to go to the back, trace the origin. I know there's a way to just make the origin always visible, but I don't want to dig into the menu, so I'm just gonna do this manually. Move, rotate. I'm gonna select the center point. Yes, and let's rotate by 90, and let's take it down. Yeah, it's perfect. Not my origin, I want my sketches, so I can close this. Let's make this bigger. All right, so let's make some fixes now. By 5. this is too much. I need to extrude this. Yeah, I should have filleted these. Yeah, that's better. All right, so we have this. So it is like that. So now we need to add some anchors here to be able to slide other stuff across or beam or metallic beam. And to do that, it's pretty easy. I'm just gonna make this thing, and I'm probably also just gonna make an extrusion side. So now I can select this and this, and I can extrude it. I'm gonna go by 2. Yeah, it's fine. And new body. So now we have these, which I can slide across my scene, and from that point we could. So should we make a, yeah, I'm gonna make a rectangle. So how long is this? This is 60.5. So maybe I need to, first of all, let's see here. It's on the axis, and I'm gonna make this 50, which should be right here. So now I can take this and just cut it. Even though 50 is not that big. Yeah, I need to go bigger on this one. So let's add 50 more, and let's duplicate this. I'm gonna rotate it 90, and so let's do the first connecting point. So as you can see here, they do connect, but we need first of all to rotate this. So I'm gonna duplicate this one and rotate. I'm gonna take the center point. Yes, 90. Yes, and now I can bring this. Is it coming? Yeah, it's coming right here. Maybe not. Maybe this is connecting in the center. So you know what? Let's move these by 1, just to see. Yeah, I want to move this. Okay, so now we can connect. Actually, I want to duplicate this. Actually, I'm gonna mirror this here, new body, and I'm gonna move this across the other side. Okay, let's connect this. So I'm gonna make it pretty a little bit better, but not right now. I will cut this because we need to make this a little bit wider, bigger, and let's just move it by, I don't know, maybe 100. Let's connect this. Let's mirror this. Actually, just duplicate it over here. So it should be 210. 210, yes. But this needs to go inside by 1. By 1? Is it 1? Yeah, it's 1. So this should be 9, no, it should be 198. 198 exactly, yes. My math is correct for once. So let's take this now, duplicate it again by 90. So we have this, which is exactly what this is. Okay. So now let's work on the latch. Man, I just can't find the right words for this type of things. Hello, Ahmed Al-Kib. What's up, man? How you doing? So you see here, there's a lot of. First of all, we have 2 screws, which means that the screws might be coming right inside. We have another kind of, how do you call this? The, not latches, the, oh fuck. And I don't remember the word. The connecting points. Yeah, let's go with this. So let's make this one, you know. I'm gonna try, you know, it's always nice to reference some images, and in this case, this is my reference image. I have no idea what this is, by the way, but we just do this. And let's make this. First of all, I need 2 of these, you know. And I'm gonna separate them by 10. I'm not gonna care too much about the proper sizing, you know, and just practicing now. Long time. I love your files and noise back in the day. Ah, man, I know. It's been a while. All right, so let's create our platform. So I'm gonna leave 2 points, but I don't know if I should go over. I guess this goes over, so let's go maybe the same. So I do want 15. Yeah, which means that I need to move this one here by 2. Yeah, and now I can't put this up top. I'm gonna add 2. Let's make this a new body. Oh. Man, Fusion is kind of weird when you're trying to orbit stuff. Okay, so I'm not gonna fillet right away. I just want to block out the shape. So we have a big beam, a big beam. Maybe it's this thick. No, it's 1 less. No, I'm gonna keep this. And I'm just gonna go 20 because it's just easier to make. And here I need a chamfer. So there's a couple of ways to make the 2 distance chamfer. I'm just gonna go the easy route. And by 6, yes, this is nice. This needs to be bigger because I don't have enough space here. Because I need to take into account the fillet on the sides. Okay, so let's work on our circle hole profiles. And probably gonna go with 5 because it's very close to the edge. Let's make another one below. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it here. I'm gonna make my holes. And let's start filleting stuff. So I'm gonna go with probably 4. Nope, 3. Yeah, it's 3. Yeah, I know it's a little bit lower here, but I don't really like it because it's easy to do, but I don't really. So first of all, let's fix pivot point. Yeah, it's like this. It does make sense, stability wise, structurally speaking, it's better to have nice space here, but I'm just not gonna do it. Bro, you switched to Blender. Wow, I had no idea. I used to think you were a C4D. Yeah. I switched to Blender. It's been a couple of years now. No, it's been 1 year that I switched to Blender because I couldn't pay for Cinema 4D anymore, man. It was just too expensive. And they changed the management. Everyone that I knew just left. So yeah, I couldn't even ask for a free version, because they used to do that. They used to support other creators. And back in the days when I was still relevant, I did have some support from Maxon. They gave me a year of free access to Cinema 4D. With Redshift, I think. But after that, I just tried to contact them again, but no responses, crickets. So yeah, I couldn't really pay anymore for Cinema 4D, so I thought, I actually stopped 3D. I stopped doing 3D for a couple of years. Yeah. So now I'm in Blender. I've made a lot of stuff with Blender. I started, actually, I can show you that. So I've been talking about this on the channel for a long time. And all of my latest videos are just, Blender stuff. But on the site, I do have a lot of project files. So I've made how many days? 90 days of everyday projects. And besides that, if you go to my Gumroad, so you can't really see that. Let me. If you go to my Gumroad, TFMSTYLE, I've been creating a lot of add-ons. So if you search in the add-on search bar inside of Blender, you can actually find some of them. But yeah, these are all the add-ons, and all of these are free. Because we live in strange times now with AI and stuff like that. I'm at a point where even me, I'm never googling stuff anymore. I'm just asking ChatGPT, which means that my site has become just an empty void on the internet where I really don't have any more traffic than I used to back in the days, because back in 2017, 18, 19, and even 20, I had a lot of site traffic. And yeah, it's also my fault because I need to work on this site again, but man, I'm tired of working on my website, because you need to understand that this is a massive library, and the most time when we work on the site is taken by the amount of project files that I have, which is huge, and the optimization side of things that I need to do. So this is my site is actually a web application. It's not even a website, because you can do that on a website. it's a web application. And this is where I also have my bridge, which the bridge application is just it's a great application. It's the best application, but it's simply not working anymore. And I just don't have any more people, you know. And I've kind of been struggling the last couple of years. But, you know, it is what it is. I just need to try and figure out, you know, how to get through the algorithm again. But yeah. So let's. I was making a fillet here. So in the reference, we don't have fillet on this side. So I don't know if I want to keep it clean or yeah, I know, I like it. And this is too big. Sorry, but it's just too big. Yeah, that's better. Okay, let's make the holes. So to do that, I'm gonna close this. And I'm gonna create the profiles on these, where it is. Lost them. Oh, it's here. 1. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, finish sketch, and I'm gonna open up. Right click, press pull, and to select this one also. Okay. Yeah, no, it's okay. Let's connect these 3. Do I want? No, I'm just gonna leave this as it is. Why did you take a break? That's a long answer, man. It's a really long answer. It's a long story. Why did you take a break? Why does anyone take a break from something? It's either economic issues, it's either mental breakdowns, or it's other just, you know, peace. In my case, it was a little bit of everything. Since 22, I think, yeah, things started to just break down, man. And you know, I tried. It's not that I wanted to take a break. It's just that, you know, things happens and you just can't really deal with them. Ooh, I made a mistake here. Yeah, I need to take this down by. I love that they are not touching, so maybe I'm just gonna leave a little bit of leeway. You know what? Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it hovering like that. Actually, I should also bridge these two. But you know what? Let's keep continuing because we don't have a lot of time. So first, let's take these. I'm gonna. I didn't make this on the right side. Yeah. And let's. This is also another one. You know, I don't understand why. So these. Why are they different? Okay, so this is kind of keeping the metal sheet that you can see, and these are doing something else. These are probably keeping these, so there's probably a metallic bar connecting these two, but in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Yeah, no, it's not making sense. So I'm gonna make something else, because whenever something doesn't really make sense for me, I'm just trying to, figure out something. So first of all, let's make this. Yeah, I'm gonna connect these so it's easier to manage. I'm gonna duplicate this, and I need to make it smaller. Sometimes it's important to let the mind and body recover. Depends. But yeah, I just actually now I feel like I'm starting to slowly recover, because I decided a couple of months ago to leave the city, and now I'm actually living in a small village, because I just needed to get out of the city. And now I live in the middle of nowhere. Thankfully, I have my Starlink, which has been, great. I need to move it, but yeah, I just had to move. So now, because I was struggling in the city, economically, the last couple of years have just been not great for me. So I just had to, go somewhere where I wouldn't spend like $1,000 a month just to be living in misery. I don't understand this one. I'm gonna keep it like this. I'm gonna move this. So yeah, I'm becoming a farmer. A farmer. But yeah, I came here to be able to just, figure out what the next steps will be for me for the next 5 to 10 years, because I have no idea, man. I have no idea, and I need to figure out something, because otherwise there's just I don't really have other options. I need to figure out something to do, and the most difficult part of this is just having the right mental health. So this is what I'm trying to figure out right now, and also be able to get back a little bit with the community, with the people that supported me all of these years, and just try to just to be myself, because it's something that I've been struggling for years, always scared of what people might think, always critical about what I was uploading. But I think I'm starting to get to a point where is the music too loud? I'm getting to a point now where I'm starting to not care anymore about what I upload. Now it's too. Yeah, I'm gonna make it. So yeah, I just want to be more present. That's pretty much the gist of it. And I know that at some point, I will figure out the economic side of things. And this is why I just moved out of the city, because I needed, space to think and to work a little bit on other stuff. So I'm doing these right now just to have an image. I just want to know the spacing of my objects. And this is going to be spaced by 10, and we're going to space this by 30. So let's take this and this. So 60. Let's take this. So 10, so 20, 30. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. Yeah, that's. I think the spacing is alright. So now let's make the grid. So what is this? What's happening here? I know that the grid is connecting down below with some other stuff that I can't really understand. But let's try and figure out. I could easily put this into ChatGPT to enhance, but you know what? I want to figure this out. We have some beams that's coming down. Actually, we have triangle holes on both sides, which this is important. So I can actually start from this. So let's make our profile, and I'm just gonna grid out what I think might be. Yeah, let's. So first of all, let's see. I need to bring this here. Okay. No, I need some measuring points, because otherwise I'm just gonna lose it. Let's take the center of this, and I'm gonna duplicate these. So these are just so I can understand my measurements. And now what I can do is, yeah, I'm gonna make something. It's going outside a little bit. So let's do this on this side and on the other side. 1, 2. Yeah. So now we have a nice grid. So I'm gonna duplicate these. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, no. Like this. Okay. And I think, let's see, on this side, we have circles only. So I'm not gonna care about these. So now, let's do the triangle. I'm gonna do them right now, so I can extrude these all together. So it's from this side, and it's going below the platform. It's going below, so this needs to be even bigger. Two, yeah. So let's sketch the triangle. So it's probably from here. So of course, man, I don't know. It doesn't snap properly. Snap. And I don't know how many degrees I want. I'm gonna go with 71. Yeah, it's fine. So it's not perfect. I'm gonna take this mirror. My mirror line is right here. I'm gonna take these two and just duplicate. Hopefully this is, yeah, it works. So it's a little bit more steep here. And I can't really do that here because I don't want to, actually I could move these across. Yeah, so that's an option. So let's go back a little bit. I could actually move this a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna do it like this. And I'm gonna move these away, so it's fine. So let's mirror this again. Yeah, I think now it's better. Let's go. Yep. And we have those big holes. So this is easy. But I need to find the middle ground. So it's underneath here. So it's probably somewhere here. So let's draw a line from here to here. And I'm going to take the middle, which is right here. I'm going to draw. No, it needs to be higher. So let's actually just draw. Let's draw a line so I can know where my middle ground is, and from here I'm gonna go 11 diameter. I'm gonna put this down because I do want, yeah, that's perfect, to be in the middle of my of here. Yeah, sorry for my bad English. Right, so do we have a hole on the others? Let's see, on this side, so I need to take care of this. So can I copy this properly now? By 30, okay. So 30, 60, and on this side it should be here. So one more, 90. Okay. All right, we have a nice profile now, and I think the height, so it's exactly the same height as this, so I need to fix this. I'm just gonna draw a line, actually just, but I don't want to be exactly, so I'm just gonna put a little bit higher. Now I need to move these out of the way, so let's copy this and this and move. I'm going to go, it's 11 p.m. here in Bangladesh. Take care, peace. Yep, thanks for joining, man. So let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna leave these right here, so by 5. I'm gonna move this as well by 5. Okay, which means that now I need to correct these two sides. Yeah, and I just want to leave 1, 2. two boxes. Same, I'm gonna do the same thing with these. Okay. And I missed something. Of course, this point. Yep. All right, so now we have everything I can select. So this is all selected. Yes. To select this. Select this, this. Let's see. I need to select these. That should be good. Extrude. New body. Okay. Let's make the chamfer here. 1 equal distance. I'm gonna go one higher. I know it's exactly on the edge here, but I'm gonna go one higher. Let's make the same here. And let's fillet all of these. So let me close off everything so I can select these properly. Fillet of one. No, one. Yeah, it's fine. So let's do this side first. So with Fusion, you really need to be patient when trying to select multiple points. It's just time consuming. Okay, let's do that. I'm thinking now. No. I like 2, but that's probably too much. Maybe 1.5. No, it's 1. Yeah. This should be even higher, but you know, it's fine. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave them as 1. Let's move this. And I will need to duplicate this a bunch of time. Okay. Okay. All right, so let's connect all of these, this, and this with this. Okay, so is this, yeah, it's just on the tip. It's actually, needs to go a little bit farther away from the edge. So I'm just gonna move it by 0.5. Yes. And now, right, so we've made all of this. Still don't know what we are doing. I'm gonna fillet these. Yeah, it's kind of the same, right? The dimension is not right. Probably because the spacing here is not the same. But you know, it's okay. Let's see. Should I work on this first? Yeah, I think so. Just trying to understand. Still don't know what all of these are. I know there's a metal bar here and probably here as well to control to keep these the same height. Okay, let's try and design one. I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna first of all draw back my circle so I can work around that. And this is big. This is big. So I'm gonna go 25 by 25, so this needs to go higher. I'm going to duplicate this on this side just to see the spacing between. Let's see if it's right in the middle. So this side is right in the middle and this side is right in the middle. Up. Need to select all of these. Nope, and not. And let's select these as well. Let's extrude. New body. And maybe 50. Something that I didn't check, so give me a second. It's the live stream thumbnail. There's no thumbnail. Yeah, it's fine. So let's make this cube. It's probably up 5. Yeah. So it's a little bit higher. So maybe I should simply put this down like this. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do that. I didn't want this to extrude, but that's probably fine. So the other thing is that this is not touching this side, so this needs to go maybe by 1 inside. There's another fillet, 2, and there's just another hole, so I have no idea what this is. The center, I want the center, select me the center. And select this. finish sketch, sketch, yes. Find me the center here. Yeah, let's just do that so I can extrude this inside. Okay, and let's close this. Now I can push it. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it as it is. And I'm gonna make a fillet, chamfer. Nope, chamfer. Okay, I'm gonna leave it as it is. So I still don't know what. Maybe there's another hole or something else. Let's go with 5 in this. And we're gonna go through the model for now. I'm gonna make a big cut just to know where, just to reference this, because I think this is an axis that turns. So these probably could be, they are not pistons, they are probably just rotors, motors. Okay, we have one. You know what? I want to add some secondary chamfer here to make this better. And let's work on one first. So this is a reference. Chamfer, we have a cone shape like. So I need, okay, I'm going to do an offset. Just estimate, it's probably, no, it's bigger, probably 6, maybe 7. Yeah, it's maybe 7. I'm going to extrude these by 10, and now I need to chamfer these. Yeah. Okay, now I need to be very careful about these steps. First of all, we have an issue, right? You can see that, so I will have to fix this. So I'm not sure if I want 2 distances on these. I want to drag this out further. But we don't have enough space here, which, no, it's fine. It's actually, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Yeah, it's fine. So yeah, I'm gonna do double thing. So let's fix this, because you know, this is always the priority steps that I'm always confused about when doing models. So I need to cut this to be able to delete the fillet on those sides, because I can delete these, because to delete these you need to delete all of these around. So I'm gonna take these 2, but first this is a ring. So let's make that ring first. Yes. Let's extrude this. Okay, and now let's fillet this side. So will this work? Okay, do I need... Let's try to fillet these. Let's try to take everything. Let's make a setback. Yeah, that's better, but still have this issue here. 6, 7, 6.2, 6.5. No, okay, so this is not the right step. So I'm doing something wrong here, which means that I'm going back. This is smooth. I could actually, yeah, no, I know, I got it. I think I got, I'm just gonna, I can't, I want to do a revolve, but it's a square. I could do revolve on path, but it's gonna be weird here on the sides. So you know what? I'm gonna make a chamfer again, but not two sides. Chamfer, one distance. Let's try to fill this to see what will happen. Yeah, you know, it's not perfect, so I don't know if I should just leave it. It's not right. I'm not sure I can select this. Yeah, no. Five. So let's say I do this. How does the fillet look? Yeah, no, that's not right. Okay, let's cut it again. Yeah, this is a weird thing that's happening now. And that's just because I don't understand the processing steps. Let's extrude this again. Let's try to fillet this. Let's take all sides. I could do a raft. Yeah, I think the right process is just a loft. I mean, this is working nice. We have a nice shape here. So actually, let's try and do this. I'm gonna fillet these two. I can go lower than 3. Let's do 3. I mean, it's not the same, but it's not that bad, right? Let's try the loft, because I never worked with loft. Let's try and do that. So for the loft to work, I actually need 2 profiles, right? I need my circle profile, which in my case needs to be a little bit bigger. I'm gonna make it 15. and we need a rectangular profile. So in this case, I'm just going to draw my 25 by 25. I'm going to take this and take it backward, probably around here. Finish. And I'm going to go to create loft. So I'm going to take a profile. So we have this profile. Can you see it? Yes. Should I select this profile as well? I have no idea how this works. Do I need the rails? So let's do this again. Create loft. So create a transitional shape between two or more sketches, profile or plan. Select a series of profile or planar face to define the shape. Option E, select rails or a center line to guide the shape. So add, oh man, I need to keep shift, right? Ella. Just can't figure out, man. Okay. Let's do this one more time. Loft. All right. I'm keeping control. I need to select, be careful about my selection. Yes. Okay, I have one shape. Profile 2. Okay, now I got it. Nice. And now rails, center line, rails, center line. Yeah, actually I don't need this, but I'm just chain selection closed. What's the close do? Chain? Yeah, no, I have no idea. Okay. Now, can I just... Oh, this is nice. Anybody? Okay, let's close this. Let's connect these two. Now, what happens if I fill this? Oh. Yes, it's perfect. Oh, yes. Nice. Okay, let's fillet this. Let's go by 5. Okay, so this needs to go a little bit inward. I'm missing my shape now. But it's fine. Can I extrude this? No. I need to make an offset. Of this. 0. Yeah, just join. Yeah, it needs to be a lot lower. So you know what? Let's go back, because now that we have, I cannot just move this shape. I can't. Okay, so let's go back to my sketch. I'm gonna duplicate this because there's some restraint that can move it. I'm gonna go back by 5, so I need to be maybe, yeah, no, 5, it's fine. Finish. Let's go loft. Now I can select this properly, and we are good. Yeah. Let's extrude this. New body. Connect these two. Let's do actually the offset here to extrude these. 0, extrude. I'm gonna go 5, join. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, let's fillet this by 5. Okay, and let's fillet this by 2. Let's go here as well. Maybe 3. Yeah, 2. 2 is fine. I mean, I guess we don't have it here a fillet. So I should fillet on this side. I'm gonna go 3. Okay. Right. Okay, we have this. Still have no idea what this is. So now we have kind of this parabolic thing. Let's try to make that. And I'm gonna go 20. I'm gonna extrude it. I'm gonna make a new body for this one because it needs to be rounded. And to do that, I need to cut this in half. So I can draw my profile. I'm sure there's a way to do it without having to cut it, but actually I don't want to delete this. Just close it. And I'm going to delete this. And now I can go here. And you know what? I'm just going to go and draw a sphere. Maybe from here. Yeah, and I just want this. Okay, now I can go to my create, revolve, profile, and the axis. I forgot the axis. Can this work? Okay, cut. I need to open my other. Let's extrude this. And now I can reconnect these two. Yeah, it's fine. Yep. You know what? Let's chamfer this side a bit. Just a little bit. Okay. And now let's see on measurement a bit. So I guess this touches our rail. But my thinking is that this is a little bit, this needs to be shorter, a lot shorter. So let's take our two objects, push them back by this much. Let's connect this, 1, 2, and let's cut this. Okay, fine. I didn't select the right. Oh, what's happening? Yeah, no. Close this face. Sketch. Okay, I need to cut this. So I need this one and this one. So let's cut a split body. Yes, and now I take this, taking this and this. And I'm gonna move them by 15. Yeah, because we do have some space here happening. Okay, and we have the exact same frame, which is nice. So yeah, let's just add this here. I'm not going to connect them. So let's take this, and I do want... Okay, now I understand the holes. Oh no. Because we have these on the other side. So I'm going to copy all of this. Nope, this, and this, and I need to mirror them. No, new body. Move. Yeah, I mean the spacing is alright. My issue now is that this should be in front, which tells me that the frame is not properly placed here. So on this side it's alright, but on this side the frame is a lot back, somewhere here. Yeah, I don't understand what's happening here. Ooh, it's probably fixed from below. From below. So we have probably some brackets coming out from here. Which means that this needs to be even. So I'm going to leave this here. And I'm going to take my bodies that I split it. I'm going to move them. Yeah, see, now it's making more sense. So on the frame I can see that now we are having also holes here, but it's fine, I'm just going to leave it as it is. Alright, so let's duplicate this and this by 30. 30 and 30. Okay, it's not the same frame. Now I'm seeing, man, I'm not looking it straight. This is not the same frame because we have rounded edges on the top. So I need to redo the framing, which means that we also don't have these on this side. Okay, so let's fix that. I'm gonna keep these. I'm gonna delete these because it's not the same. And I'm gonna delete. You know what? I'm gonna keep this for reference. Okay. We also have one plate. I can do this on all sides, right? Just delete this. Just to make it round all the way. Okay, let's actually connect these. So I can fillet the edges. And yeah, I'm just gonna add a slight, maybe I could go with chamfer. Okay, it doesn't work because we have some spaces, so let's delete this. Yeah, I need to do this on all sides. And yeah, this is fine. Let's do a chamfer now. Chamfer, not fillet. Is the streamer good? Am I still live? Yeah. I need to check from time to time because I'm on a Starlink connection. And I need to say that Starlink so far has been great. You know, except from very few drops, it's pretty stable. Okay. Perfect. Let's do this for now because I don't like 2, 4. Okay, I need to. Yeah, let's do this. I need to do this from the top. How can I do this? I need to select this profile and make very small cut. Maybe something like this. Yes. And now let's bring this down by 5. Let's push this a little bit. Yeah. And let's take these. Let's cut this. I can't. Extrude. Okay. Yeah, this should be chamfered and not filleted out. You can actually see it. So this is not right. For the other one, I don't really care, but this should be chamfered. But it's fine, I'm just gonna leave it. Check. Okay, I need to work on the frame because we still have all of these that are not done. These are nice, you know, I love doing these type of boxes of rotors. So these are the small rotors. Both sides. Actually, let's make this. I want to do some this. So we need, first of all, I'm gonna do this on at the end, but we need a profile that goes like this. So I don't want it attached and it should come up to the edge. Let's make it thick through the edge. Okay. So the width, it's probably too long, but let's put this in middle, probably here. Let's work on the edge. I'm gonna do 3 because I did the same thing here. Or maybe it was 2. Yeah, it was 2. We have the same holes. So I'm doing this first because I'm gonna do the holes first because it will be easier to figure out my scaling. How much space? 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Nice. And it needs to be right on the rail. 1, 2, 3. Let's cut this. Do the same here. 1, 2, 3. So it's 1 diameter. It's 1. No, it's 2. It's 1? No, it's 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's also make here. No, it goes up. But you know what? I do want to fill this as well by 2, just so it's nice and smooth. And on this side, this needs to go up. So there's a slope here, and there's this thing. So there's probably another slope. It's probably on both sides. And we need to figure out the scaling of this. So let's do that. Probably this is gonna be a 10 by 10. So we've got 15. We have the space. Yeah, 15. Which means that I'm gonna have a slope. So let's try and figure out. 1, 2, I do want 3 space on both sides, but I need to take into account the fillet, so it needs to go like this. And this like this, which means that I have this space left, which is 11. So yeah, practically 10 by 10. Let's just draw. Yeah, it is small, man. It is too small. So let's fix our dimensions. I'm gonna make this smaller. Take these two back. This up. It goes inside. Actually, no, I can keep this as thick. And now this is a... Let's put this out. 17. Yeah, I guess it's still very small. This needs to be a bit bigger, but let's try this. I'm gonna take everything here to extrude. So I'm gonna go by 5 here. And now I need to extrude this side. So that's easy. 5, I'm gonna go by 5 again. Maybe 8. Join. Let's chamfer this. So this has a weird chamfer. It's not from the side. So to do that, yeah, this is higher. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it at 2. So 7 by 7. Yep. This needs to go like this. 2 down and 2 down. And here we have our chamfer. Let's see if we can make it nice chamfer. So yeah, it's not gonna look really nice because just the weird angles. Let's try to include this as well. Actually it's fillet. Yeah, it's not chamfer, it's fillet. I can change that. Chamfer, alright. This, and this. Blend, meter, chamfer, yeah. It's not great. Let's go. Yeah, this is not good. Yeah, this is not good. Let's try fillet this. I do want to fillet all sides. Yeah, that's the best outcome. No, setback, rolling. Yeah, that's just the best we can get. Let's try this side as well to see if maybe I need to go 0.5. Yeah, that's the best outcome. Can I roll setback? Yeah, setback. It's not working everywhere. So this is the max. 0.5 doesn't work. 0.4, I guess. Okay, so I need to. So let's figure this out. should I do it right now? Because if I need to make a change, I will have to delete all of that. Oh, I forgot this, and I forgot this. So the inside's all right. I actually, yeah, I need to do them right now. Yeah, I mean, you know what? Whenever I get to a point where I just have to add details to just, you know, make it look good, I know that I'm doing something wrong. So in this case, just rethink it. So this is here, it's pretty straightforward. It's chamfer, right? 1, 2, 3. I can't see what's beneath this. Maybe this right here is not flat, but it's actually, there's a slope like that, right? If this is the case, then this might look a little bit better with chamfer. Let's try this. Yeah, I mean, this could work. Let's go 0.4. Right, because the angle here, you know, it's probably flat, but let's try to do it this way. And can I do chamfer on these sides as well? Ooh. Yeah, that's not good. Here it doesn't work. 0.3. Yeah, I'm having an issue with this design. So you know what? I'll just delete this. I don't need it. I'm just gonna keep it simple. Let's chamfer these. Okay, and I'm gonna cut this. Oh, that's fine. Okay, so we have our shape here. Let's make a fillet by 1. I think it's 1. Yeah, it's 1. Let's fillet this by 1 as well, because I know we're gonna have a fillet here. Just checking. Yeah, the proper fillet here would be 4. But that's just, it looks nice. It looks really nice. Yeah, I'm gonna try to work with this, you know. It's not the best, but right, let's cut this in half. So I can make it wider. No, it's here. Let's mirror this. Actually, you know what? Let's finish. Let's fillet these by 1 as well. Yeah, nope. I'm not sure if this needs to go in a little bit. Or out. Let's try out. It's a little bit weird, but let's try and mirror this. Join, yeah. Okay, let's try to do our box, and I will have to figure out the boxing. Ah, wait, now I understand the design. I think I did something wrong. Yeah, let's go back. Let's not make this hollow. Of course I can delete this. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it like this. Should I? Oh, let's keep it. Right, let's mirror this. Man, I've been on this thing a long time. Yeah, now we have something a bit better. Let's here to here, so it is 22. It's 22. I'm gonna make it 20. 21 by 21. Okay, let's move it. So it's right here. Let's extrude it. So I need to make it in 3 steps. We have 3 bodies. Let's start with this first. New body. Okay, so I don't want this to be touching this. I'm just gonna put it a little bit back. Let's see the fillet. So here we have a nice round fillet. I'm gonna go with 3. Yep. Let's duplicate. Ella. This is probably a chamfer. With a fillet of 1. Actually, this is not a fillet, this is a chamfer. Of 2. I'm gonna add a fillet of 1 on top. And we have a 3rd body. So I'm gonna take this again. and it's gonna be a little bit bigger. And now let's try to make the hole. So of course I'm gonna cut this. Let's connect these three. I shouldn't really connect them now because yeah, I'm gonna have some issues. So first of all, let's cut all of these. I'm gonna keep a quarter and I will be rotating that 4 times so it's easier to manage. Let's do here our small indentation for the screws. Of course, it needs to snap. Right here, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's too much. Let's fillet this also. Yeah, I'm gonna do something like that. Actually, here I want a chamfer. It's not pretty, but it's fine. Ooh, no, I made a mistake. Yeah, I made a mistake. I need to copy this. Yeah, my bad. And I need to make the hole here. It's gonna be a little bit bigger. Actually, I could fix this by just taking this up. You know, maybe it's the same height everywhere. Let's try and do that. Let's see. I think it's something like this. Yeah. I'm still worried about this is a better fillet, so I need to fix this. So I'm not sure if can I expand these? No, of course. Yeah, these needs to be a lot better. So in this case, I need to delete my chamfer. Okay, and let's try to redo this. This and this. Can I do this as well? No, I can't. Let's do one. Let's try to. No, you know what? Maybe I need to do all of them together to have a nice setback. Yeah, setback corners. Yeah, I think that's better. Can I do this? Yeah, better now. Yeah, I think that's better. Maybe 0.4. And I know there's a type of slope here, but I can't figure this out, man. I don't understand what's happening here. So I'm just gonna leave it as it is now. So I know I can do a better job, but for now, it is what it is. Also, let's take this in the center. 1 and 1. Let's make it a little bit thicker. Okay, so that's the screw. Alright, let's see the dimension. So this is very big. So let's close this. Let's bring this a lot inward. Taking these two bodies, move them. That's even a lot. So I need to make this. So let's close this by 1. Let's move this by 1, and these two. Actually, wait, let's make this. Yeah, something like this. It's treat time. The stream okay? Is everyone good? It's fine. Okay, so let's duplicate these. So to duplicate it, I need to create my axe of rotation, which is gonna be here. Okay, let's select these. Nope, not this. Create pattern circular. Oh, nope. Eek. What happened? happened? What is this? Oh, so of course, it's not. I don't know what happened. I probably cut it on the wrong axe. But let's just, you know what? Let's just mirror this. Yes, let's mirror this again. And it should be fine. Yeah, it's fine. So now that we have everything, we can make some adjustment, because of course I was watching this cut it, so this needs to be a little bit bigger. Okay. Now let's make, I usually just go with chamfers on the edges. So I'm not sure if this will make sense. Actually, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to put all of these down by 0.10. So I'm selecting the faces, press, and let's go inside. By I'm going to go by 20. Yes, okay, and now I can take these edges and chamfer them in. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, so it's not perfect, but I think this will do. Let's connect all of that together. No, I don't really care about having separate bodies for these. Okay. So let's see the dimensions, because I know I made a mistake by cutting this. So let's take this segment. This is 16 by 171, and this is 15 by 500. Yeah, so I made, it's not rectangular, but it's fine. Let's try to make here. So let's try to find the middle ground. Let's go by 9, because we have something here. It's probably just a logo. Right, so now let's continue this. I said I would probably do a fillet here around, and now I can. 0.4 setback. Yeah, this is a lot better. Let's select these as well. Yeah, it's not perfect, but yeah, it's fine. It's okay. And below, yeah, so should I do chamfer here as well? In this case, I'm going to leave the chamfer for the end. So right now, just leave it as it is. All right, so we have this. I have no idea where it is still, but at least we have it. Let's center this. Probably here. And let's move on a little bit. Let's do something else. So we have the same design right here, which means that I need to make the plate. I finally need to make the plate. So, and we have other stuff here. and all of that. So I'm not gonna be able to do all of that because I have no idea what I'm looking at, but I'm gonna do this side at least. Solid plate. This is not the right plate, so I'm probably gonna need here to delete this and just redo it. Okay, give me a second. Hey, what are you modeling? Hey, Bootcan have this. I have no idea what this is. So this is just practice, you know, just trying to understand some design steps. Just practicing random objects. But this is what I'm going for. So my design right now, it doesn't need to be logical, it doesn't need to make sense. I'm just trying to figure out the stepping process, you know, how to make proper kind of look-alike objects. So we had this issue here on those corners, and I had to make this using the loft option, which it's the first time that I did that. But yeah, pretty much, you know, random design. So let's make this frame. So now, yeah, I'm trying to make this frame to fill up a little bit my model. Yeah, if you got it, just practice. I'm so good. Oh no, I'm very far from being good at this thing. You know, my modeling skills are very basic. Okay, wait, I need to select this profile. But thanks. So this is probably, so yeah, that's not the same size. So in this case, probably need to go, I'm gonna go by 18. Yeah, 18. I need to duplicate this both sides. So here I need to be careful because we have these nice bevels here, these nice slopes. So I need to understand the steps to actually do these. But I think this is simply done by filleting this. So let's do this. On the other side, it's going straight. So we have the same thing. It's only changing here for some reason. Let's give me a second so I can duplicate this as well. So let's the thickness probably 6. Extrude this. I'm gonna go by 1. New body. What's happening? Oh, I forgot something, of course. by one. New body. Let's close our sketch. Man, I need to delete my sketch because it's just too much. Let's select these three. I'm gonna take this back a little bit so I can see. Connect all of these. I'm 16 and trying to mod and try to learn Fusion. Yeah, man, Fusion is it's pretty much the standard, industry standard for at least for hard surface designing and creating. If you want to do 3D printing and stuff like that. So let's try and fillet this. Yeah, now we have these. The dark spots tells me that this is not a circle. It's a square that was filled out. But oh man, what's up? But yeah, I'm gonna try this first. Fillet of 20. So it's probably that's too much. Fillet of 10. Yeah. Yeah, these are not circle. So let me think. Yeah, no, these are not circle. So I need to fix that, and I think I can actually fix it on top of that. Just need to. I can see shit. Let's just try. So it's 18 by, how much is this? This is 17 and a half. Okay, so. By 18. Is this right? Where the center? Show me. Oh man. Ah. Okay. All right. So we have our square. So let's copy this. Yes, by 30. Copy this by 30. 30. So I'm doing this wrong, but and 30. So I made already a mistake here. Okay. Now let's extrude all of these sides. So let me select them one by one. Extrude one. Yes, and now I can see that there are it's a little bit higher. I don't know how to explain this, but I need to take these inside by probably, I'm gonna go 3. Yeah, something like this. And now I can fillet this. Let's see. Let's go with 5. go 8, 10. No, still not enough. No, I'm a CNC machining student. I'm trying to learn CAD for my machining parts, you know. Yep, that's pretty cool. I've never got into 3D printing, but man, and I know CNC is a nice thing. It's pretty expensive. Okay. Now I need to make this higher. By 1, probably. Yeah, let's just, you know, it doesn't really matter all of that. Oop, forgot something here. Doesn't matter. Okay, let's finish this because 8. The sphere was fine. I don't know why I wanted to fix that. I don't even know what this is, but you know. Oh, what's happening here? Oh, I forgot this, yeah. Oh, fuck. Yeah, the sphere was fine. I don't know why I got into trouble of doing this. Man, this frame has been pretty messy. Okay, let's fix this again one last time. And you know what? I need to change playlist. I'm gonna add another one. I have another one here already. I'm gonna put one of a track that I like. Okay. Yeah, they're expensive machine, but they make everything like phone casing to plane. Yeah, man, they make everything. Since the machine, the center of manufacturing is it's too hard to learn how to control it. I bet. Almost there. Okay. It's not the same, but it's fine. Oh man. Let's do this as well. Actually, I need to make this cipher. So this is, it's kind of weird. Okay. Let's do this side first. And it's still wrong. What's happening here now? Cancel. Yeah, I messed up my frame. Just let's do this from start because yeah. Oh man. It's exhausting. Let's delete sketches, don't need them. Man, this fucking frame. Let's move this 150. Is this okay? Send this, yeah. Okay, let's do this again. I'm gonna do this circle one. I wanna go a bit lower with my radius, but other than that, I spent 40 minutes trying to, no, maybe 20 minutes trying to do the frame, and now I'm gonna redo it in 5. Speed running this. Let's go from here to here. Yeah, maybe it's a little bit more. 10. Okay, of course I'm forgetting this stuff below, so let's just extrude this as a new body. Now everything is centered properly. Finally, this side is alright. Let's do this side very quickly. So this goes straight. Where is my center? Center is here. And you have nice music to focus on. Oh yeah. I mean, without music it would be very boring. Can I snap? Please snap the distance. Okay. So this goes a little bit bigger right here. By how much? By 1.5. So 21. And then we have kind of this cut here. I'm gonna do that later, but I just want the overall shape. Okay, that's fine. So it's a little bit weird here. We have chamfer here, another one here, and here we have a lot of cuts happening. So I can't figure out why. Maybe we need to add our box here to be able to overlay the space needed. Let's take a box. So from what I'm seeing, it's to go a little bit higher, 0.25, so we have the same dimension on top. And I'm just gonna push it right here on the edge. Yeah, something like this. So the cuts, it's gonna be a little bit weird, but you know what? It is what it is. One. I don't even know. Yeah, maybe. Actually, yeah, but why? Just such a weird shape. Let's fillet all of that. I need to add a bigger fillet here. Yeah, I'm gonna keep something like this. Yeah, it's fine. This is probably more. I can select this. Okay, let's fillet this by 3 again. And repeat fillet. Oh, no. Extrude. Press pull. 25. Okay, that's a lot better. So again, dimensions. Oh man. Just so weird. Yeah, in this case, I'm gonna cut this like right here. I'm gonna move this by 5. And move, redo, move this by 5. Yeah, it's not perfect, but you know, trying to go as close as I can to redoing this, which don't know what it is yet. I'm gonna go to sleep, man. Thanks for everything. Take care. See ya. See you, man. Thanks for coming in. Appreciate it. Let's see. So we have a plate duplicated on the other side. So wait, let's make these first. I think I could duplicate this. Let's try to see if I can recycle this. Just to take the bottom part. Let's cut. So what am I gonna cut? I'm gonna cut probably. I need to go. Split body, no, not this one, this one. I think, can I, let's duplicate this just to be safe. Let's go split body to split. I want to select this splitting tool. I want this. No, combining tool. Yeah, combine. I want this combine with this, but keep. Wait, let's see. Okay, let's think. All right, I need to duplicate this one. Let's do this again. Combine this with this. Now, can I combine this? Oh, it's the same thing. Let's try the other way. Taking this, splitting body this. I don't know. Okay, I think I have an idea. I'm gonna first delete this one, don't need it. Let's move this. Actually, let's extrude this just a little bit more. Because I need to know, to be able to recut this afterwards. Alright, so let's connect both of these. This and, nope. Operation join. Now I can take the inside. I can extrude this. Okay, now I have my holes, and I can push this back in. Yeah, okay. Okay, all of this should be lower, but yeah, it's fine. Okay, now the other issue is that it's too close to the edge. It needs to go somewhere like this. Okay. Can I move this down? Yeah. Yeah, I guess this will be a lot better. Man, thank God for Fusion. Yeah, it's fine. I could even move these closer. Okay. Can I take these down again? Man, my Fusion is really thick and hard now. My operations are like all over the place. Yeah, no, it's fine, it's fine. He can do it. Alright, oh man, fuck. Thank God. So I can't see what's happening here. So I'm just gonna add a chamfer. Yeah. Fill this 3. Yeah, it's fine. And now I need to fill these again. For some reason they got deleted. We're gonna go with 10. Can I go with 10? Okay. Maybe 15. Maybe 20. Yeah, 20. Yeah, this is not working here. I need to make this 50. Yeah, just make a big bevel. Yeah, I really don't like this side, but you know, it will have to do. I'm not gonna spend more time on it. This can be deleted. Okay. Oh, I'm exhausted. I usually stream, so be sure to follow me on Twitch. I have links below in the descriptions. I usually, yeah, stream between 1.5 and 2 hours, but yeah, just keep that in mind. Let me check something. So be sure to follow on Twitch as well. Let's duplicate this. This should be around here. I'm just gonna do the same for now. And now there's a lot of stuff, so I'm not gonna do all of that, but just to have the overall shape. So we have another motor. Can I just mirror this? So I'm trying to understand where this is. Okay, so this should be probably somewhere here. It's probably here. Which means that there probably something give me a second. Move by, of course it's weird numbers, 0.25. That's the center. It's not the center. Okay. Let's try and figure out the center. So middle line, middle line, middle line. Okay. And let's take 4. I'm just gonna draw a line here. Anybody? Okay, so let's just move on, man. It's been a difficult design. I'm gonna try to make the shapes. Okay. And by 10, let's make this a new body. Now I'm trying to make these. So this is very complicated. How do you call that? It's roulement. Roulement. I think. That's not the right way to do it. Probably need to zero point 0.5, 0.5 and 0.5. This could work. Oh, man, snap, please. I'm gonna go 1.4 on this. By 5, new body, and let's rotate. Let's circular this. Let's make it circular. So 30. I always go with 30, and most time it works. But here I'm probably gonna go with 26. Let's duplicate this. I'm gonna mirror this actually. And let's. So it needs to be. I think it's right. Yeah. Yeah, it's not this. It's not a ruler, man. I can't even understand what's that. But I'm just gonna go with this, man. I just want the overall shape. 30. This okay? Yeah. Yeah. 60. 90. No, 120. Actually. Yeah, I'm done. I'm just too exhausted for continuing this. I mean, this is the whole thing, man. Most of them I can't see the layout, and the other thing is that I don't understand what's happening in all of this. But thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the description. I don't know if I'm gonna stream again on YouTube, because you know I really don't know what's happening on this channel, at least statistically. So yeah, be sure you know, follow me on Instagram if you want to know whenever I'm streaming on Twitch. And that's pretty much it. I will see you guys next time. Bye.